Dear students, welcome to NIT Polytechnic online learning platform. We bring you the most relevant content in a most attractive digital format. Myself, A.V. Giratkar, Senior Lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, Department, NIT Polytechnic Nagpur. Today we learn Unit 2, Theodolite Surveying, and topic is 2.7. In last lecture, we learned prolongation and ranging a survey line. In this lecture, CO map means after completion of this video lecture, student will be able to prepare plans using theodolite surveying. CO. LO. Describe the procedure to measure the horizontal and vertical angles using theodolite for the given situation. PO map are PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4, PO5, PO8, PO9 and PO10. In this lecture, we learn measurement of vertical angle. So, measurement of vertical angle by transient theodolite. Dear student, we already know that theodolite is used for measurement of horizontal angle, vertical angle, prolongation of survey line, etc. So, to measure the vertical angle, observe this figure. This is the transit station, and suppose this is the object, means this is the height or any pole or any building. So vertical angle can be measured from its horizontal line and the object top. So this is the vertical angle, and if the angle measured from this horizontal line and angle is above from horizontal line, then this is the positive angle, and if the angle from below the horizontal line is the negative angle. Actually, angle is not negative, but positive and negative indicates the direction of angle. Means positive angle means, of course, it is measured from above the horizontal line, and negative means angle measured below the horizontal line. Okay. So procedure of measuring vertical angle using theodolite. To measure the vertical angle of an object at a station O, suppose this is station O, set up the instrument O station O and level it carefully with respect to altitude bubble. Altitude bubble is provided on vertical circle. Then set 0 of vertical vernier exactly to 0 of vertical circle using vertical circle clamp and tangent screw. In vertical circle, vernier C and D are used. Okay. So vernier C, if we set the vernier C at 0, then automatically vernier D will be at also 0. Okay. Then bring the bubble of altitude level to the center by means of foot screw. That is, line of collimation is horizontal when we set the 0 of vertical vernier exactly to 0 of vertical circle, that is vertical circle containing vernier C and verनियर D. दोनों भी वर्टिकल सर्कल के वर्नियर्स जो है उसके 0 सेट करने के बाद में लाइन ऑफ कॉलिमिनेशन is perfectly horizontal, means this line. Then loose the vertical circle clamp P and bisect exactly using the vertical circle tangent screw. Then read both the vernier C and D. The mean of two readings gives the value of required angle for the face. Means it, in this case also we can use both face left and face right also. Okay, then change the face of instrument and repeat the process. The mean of two vernier readings observations gives the value of required angle. Okay, the average value of two angles obtained from left observation and right observation, means left observation means right face observation and right observation means right face observation, give exact value of the required angle, that is the vertical angle. No? Then measurement, this is the observation table. This is same for horizontal angle also, but here window A and window B, if we read right, then it is used for horizontal angle, and if the window C and window D means for vertical angle. ओके, बस इतना ही डिफरेंस होता है. अगर यहाँ पे ए और बी अगर रहा तो हॉरिजॉन्टल एंगल के लिए यूज होगा, और यहाँ पे सी और डी अगर है तो वर्टिकल एंगल के लिए. बाकी सेम रहेगा. यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट स्टेशन, ऑब्जेक्ट, विंडो सी, बाद में ये दो का डिफरेंस यहाँ पे सेंटर में आ जाएगा. इस टाइप से फिर सी और डी का यहाँ पे मीन हो जाएगा 4 + 6/2. ओके, ये वैसे 3 रीडिंग फेस लेफ्ट के लिए लेना है और 3 रीडिंग फेस राइट के लिए लेना है, और 6 का मीन अगर निकालते हैं तो आपको वर्टिकल एंगल मिल जाएगा. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन write the observation on in this tabular form. Okay, in this way we measure the vertical angle. Thank you. So in this topic we learn measurement of vertical angle by transit theodolite. Okay, thank you very much.